Let me ask you a question that sounds simple, but is actually brilliant. Why does India use exactly 6 digits for a PIN code? Not 5, not 7, exactly 6. And here's the twist. Those 6 digits quietly organized a country of huge scale, languages, similar town names, and millions of daily deliveries. Think of the last time you ordered something online, or received an official letter, or even filled an address form. One tiny line decides everything. PIN code. If that line is wrong, your parcel goes on a tour of India. If it's right, the system behaves like a well-trained railway network, switching lines smoothly. Now imagine India before the PIN system. Postal staff handled handwritten addresses in different scripts, local spellings, and towns sharing similar names. Sorting depended heavily on human familiarity. Smart people, yes. But under massive load, even smart people need a smarter system. Quick comment. Have you ever had a delivery delayed because of address confusion? Type yes or no. India solved this with a simple, powerful idea. Convert geography into a numeric route. So instead of guessing place names, the system reads numbers, like coordinates for logistics. And that's why the PIN code feels boring, because it's doing its job perfectly. The Postal Index Number, PIN, was introduced in India in the early 1970s to simplify and standardize sorting and delivery. It was designed to make the system less dependent on guesswork and more dependent on structure. That's good administration. Quiet, practical, nation building. Okay, 6 digits. Think of it as a camera zoom. The first digit sends your letter into the right large region, like choosing the right highway. Second digit narrows it further, like taking the correct exit. Third digit is crucial. It points to a sorting district, the place where mail gets grouped intelligently. And the last 3 digits? That's the final precision. The delivery office. First 3 digits, where it gets sorted. Last 3 digits, where it gets delivered. Now we return to the big question. Why 6? Because 6 digits hit a perfect balance. Enough combinations to cover a vast network. Short enough to write without mistakes. Structured enough for machines and humans to route efficiently. Memorable enough that people can actually use it daily. Comment 6 if this structure surprised you. Let's do something fun. Take your own PIN code. Don't say your full address, just the PIN. Now split it like this. A, B, C, D, E, F. ABC tells you the broad routing and sorting district. DEF tells the exact delivery office. That's it. You've just understood what most people use daily without ever decoding. This is why the PIN code is not just postal history. It became India's everyday logistics language. Mail, parcels, forms, couriers, services. It helped a massive, diverse country run smoother without drama. That is the beauty of a great public system. It doesn't shout. It works. Here's a small story many of us can relate to. A parcel is packed perfectly. The address is written. Everything is correct, except 1 digit. Now the system doesn't guess. It follows the route you gave it. And suddenly, the parcel is perfectly routed to the wrong place. So PIN codes teach a deep truth. Good systems reward accuracy. Bad systems reward luck. Quick recap. PIN codes turn geography into a clean routing system. First 3 digits guide sorting and movement. Last 3 digits pinpoint the delivery office. 6 digits are a brilliant balance of scale, simplicity, and precision. Now let's hear from you. Did you know your PIN had this logic? Or did you think it was random? If you enjoyed this kind of hidden genius behind everyday India, like this episode, subscribe, and share it with one friend who loves systems, history, or logistics. And in the next episode, we'll explore another silent powerhouse. Until then, stay curious, stay precise.